Hello friends, happy Ugadi and happy New Year to all of you. On this auspicious occasion, I wanted to give you one good news that we are launching Rocket Revision batch from today, and this is not going to be online live because I'm not able to find time to continue this at a fixed point of time. So whenever I'm having time, I'm just doing the recording and I will be uploading the sessions. So this time the Rocket Revision batch for May 2021 exam is going to be like concept wise. So we are discussing this from the pocket book, so which is released for May 21. If you want the pocket book, you can purchase it from www.tarunraj.com. You can purchase, or you can download Tarun's Brainery app, and in that also we have the soft copy of the pocket book where you can read it from the app. And these lectures are designed mainly for May 21 exam, and it will be having like concept wise, and at final there will be a consolidated file. So last time for November 2020 exam, when we gave a consolidated file for 12 hours, so students have suggested me like, sir, why don't you make a playlist and give the concept, so that whichever concept we wanted to revise, we will quickly go and revise. So mainly for that reason, so done. So because always I am there for my students, and whatever feedback that you give, I'll be listening to that. And therefore this time what I'm doing is like, so concept wise I'm going to upload the video, and there will be one consolidated video at the end in the playlist. A separate playlist will be created, so that is for Rocket Revision batch May 2021 exam. So May or June 2021 exam, and thereafter this is also useful for CMA final exam students. So if any student is appearing for CMA final, so this will be useful because last time Rocket Revision batch, one student of CMA final has watched, and that student has scored 80 marks. You can check the comments. So that I really felt happy that by seeing this video he got 80 marks. So then I'm really doing something benefit. And many students, there was some like amazing feedback about this particular Rocket Revision. Many students said, sir, this is the great thing that you have done, and we really felt very happy. So by quickly revising, see, the objective is this only, because you might be attending classes at different points of time, whereas when it comes to exam, that one day or 1.5 days before the exam plays a key role. So this is mainly for that purpose, because subjects like DT and IDT, how much ever you revise, so that much benefit it will be, and therefore due to that reason only this is being created. And this time one more new initiative also I am doing, that is called as practice manual. So there is a 200 questions practice manual book, and this 200 questions practice manual book, I am going to discuss the problems and solutions. I handpicked some 200 questions. So these also like one by one, chapter by chapter I will be uploading. And this practice manual book, which is available for offline viewing in the app, and even it will be launched soon in our website. You can start purchasing this practice manual, and that will be for around some 15 to 18 hours is what I'm planning. So this Rocket Revision plus that particular problems and solutions together is for some 30 hours this time. So this time it is going to be 30 hours revision. So only theory revision is separate and practice session is separate, so that whichever you are comfortable with, you can go for it. And I'm actually falling short of time due to that reason, but I wanted to do a lot of things, but try to understand, because I'm part of a venture that is Inside Commerce Studies, you all know, which is taking face-to-face classes, so in Chennai. So due to that reason, I'm little held up with lot of other activities. Due to that reason, I could not do lot of free sessions. So that's it for this May 21 exam. So for November 21 exam, students also I'll be continuing to do this. Thank you all, and you can start watching the video from this video onwards. Thank you all the best for your preparation, and if you have any queries, you can definitely ping me. And only thing, I'm taking little late like time, so I will definitely revert to all of you. And once again, happy new year, and let this new year begin with a new ray of hope, and you all should definitely come out with the flying colors. and all the best once again for your preparation, because when your preparation is good, automatically your exams will be amazing. Thank you all.